Hi there, welcome back to Riddle. It's time for a swiper block, which is a Tinder-style swipe left or swipe right to a topic of your choice type question. I'll show you our original. So we have the question, online meetings, do you hate them or do you love them? Let's go into the creator to make a question like this. Click on add a block as always and select swiper. Now we can put our question or our topic in the title field. I'm going to center it, and here by default you have these two buttons, so you can just leave it as is, but you can also play around with it a little bit. Perhaps you want to type in hate and love, for example, and then when you hover over it you'll get that extra clarification for your audience. So you can leave that blank or change that, that's up to you. And it's important for me here to have another image. So click on add image. And I'm using my folder again that I created in the media library. Okay, excellent. Now we can look at some options for a swiper block, which concern these two dislike and like buttons. Click on the options icon, and yes, I definitely want to keep the media, and I can choose the different styles for these buttons. So I've got the riddle style at the moment with these two round edged buttons with a cross and a heart, but I could also change it to emojis like this, or I could also upload my own image. Best to use a PNG image in square format and make sure it has a transparent background so that it's really visible here. So I could do that, click on here and upload my image. Or I could just write text. So here, for example, it's already taken the text directly that I had written as a description before for the hover state. So I'll just show you what that would look like. And then instead of having a symbol, you've got that text on the button itself. So these are all different options for the dislike and like button. And with the colors, same as with other buttons, you can click on the arrow next to each color. So you've got one for the dislike button, one for the dislike symbol. So I could change that to white, for example, and now it would be a white button. Okay, you can't see it now because I'm covering everything up because I've got the text and the background color the same, but you get the idea. And I've got one like button color and one like text color. So same thing here again. Play around with that and you can see what colors fit your brand as well and the rest of the riddle that you've got going on here. Or maybe you want it to match the pictures that you've got going on and represent the colors in the buttons as well. That's up to you. So that's our swiper block. We've got a few more blocks left to go, so I'll see you in the next clip for another sort of block. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to write to us at academy@riddle.com or in the support chat on our website.